Today, we rise above the hills of Surrey to explore one of England's most enchanting hidden gems, St Martha's Church, perched high above the village of Chilworth. This is no ordinary church. It's a time capsule standing nearly 600 feet above sea level, alone on its hill, watching centuries unfold. From this serene vantage point, the views stretch across the North Downs and far beyond. St Martha's sits on an ancient pilgrimage route, the Pilgrims Way, once trodden by medieval travellers on their way to Canterbury. The hill itself holds secrets older than the church. Evidence of Iron Age settlements has been found here, and some say the hill was sacred even before Christianity took root. The church you see today was rebuilt in 1850 by the prominent architect Henry Woodyer, using local Bargate stone. Step inside, and you'll feel the hush of history. Although much of the current structure dates from a 19th century restoration, the church stands on Saxon foundations. It's believed that a place of worship existed here as early as the 11th century, possibly even earlier. There's a quiet beauty to this place. The Gothic Revival architecture, simple yet reverent, the stained glass windows, glowing with filtered light, and the sense that time slows down. The hill reaches a height of 574 feet, 175 metres, making it the 18th highest in the county. As with most of the top 20 hills in Surrey, it is part of the slightly scattered green sand ridge. Among them are graves of local families, soldiers, and artists who once found solace in this peaceful place. St Martha's has also become a resting place for the famous, including composer Norman O'Neill. The solitude of St Martha's is part of its magic. Accessible only by foot or bridle path, every step to the summit is rewarded with awe. This church in the clouds offers more than history. It offers perspective, a moment of peace, a breath above the world.